Welcome back to Metals, Money, and Markets, weekend in April 28th, 2017. With me, as always, Mickey Fulp, the Mercenary Geologist, and from miningclips.com, I'm Rob Goodman. Well, Mickey, a couple big stories hit my radar this week. The French elections being one coming up here in a couple weeks. And on the home front, you had Trump introducing legislation for some tax reform. Markets liked that news, but on the precious metal fronts, it wasn't a good week.
No, the precious metals could not break out above resistance. Gold hit 1295 probably 10 days ago, something like that, and it's absolutely been unable to hold that resistance level. It really became this week risk off in the markets, so safe haven demand's gone away. Gold ended up down almost 2% at 1268. Silver, the big loser, at 4% down to 1719. Platinum lost 2.5% down to 946. This was bucked by the trend with industrial metals, and let's look at those two that we cover. That would be palladium and copper. Both had very good weeks. Palladium at 826, up over 4%, and copper up to 259 for a 2% gain. So with the rising markets, it makes a lot of sense that those two metals would have strong weeks.
Yeah, on the energy front, Trump signed a late-day executive order opening up oil exploration in the U.S. Oil, obviously, and uranium down a little bit this week, but didn't seem to be, or I guess we'll find out about the news next week if it does anything to the markets.
Yeah, well, Trump did this, and he opened offshore. He essentially undid what Obama did right before he left office, which was to remove all future leasing of Deep Gulf, and I presume that's Western Florida, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Arctic. And Trump reversed that order this week. The markets didn't really react to that. It was a negative week, very negative week for the oil markets, with concerns on U.S. shale coming on, Libyan exports maybe starting to come back. And so despite very high seasonal refinery runs and a drawdown of U.S. stocks, oil dropped almost 2% to finish at 49.18, and uranium had another blow week at 22.75. It lost 13 cents. Continues into the blows.
Yeah, on the currency sides, a dollar, third straight week down. Euro rallied, but loonie again off.
Yeah, so we had the dollar close at 99.06. for a loss of almost 1%. This is a post-election week low, so whatever that is, almost 5 months now. The euro had a very nice gain, up to $1.09 for a 1.7% gain. Again, a post-election week high, and the loonie really took it in the shorts once again, closed at 0.7325. I looked it up. That's a 14-month low. And this all has to do with Trump's bully pulpit on NAFTA, and it's become a story of Wisconsin milk versus BC lumber. And I will put my dollars on Wisconsin milk. Basically, Trump put a tariff on soft lumber from Canada because the government of Canada has been putting a tariff on Wisconsin milk coming into southern Canada.
Well, hopefully not a trade war. I don't see it happening, but
well, we're going to win any trade war, so bring it on.
Well, the markets sure liked the Trump tax reform plan. The Nasdaq a new high, and the U.S. markets fared very well.
Yep, Nasdaq an all-time high today. At 6,048 for a 2% gain. And the Dow and S&P 500 both had 2-month highs back to March 1st. And if you remember, that was the day that all three of the major U.S. markets hit all-time highs. Dow closed at 2941, up almost 2%. S&P 500, 2385, up 1.5% on the week. So once again, the French election risk off with what looks like Le Pen, although she finished second in the race, she's way behind, and markets don't like change. So anyway, we'll see where that goes in a couple of weeks, I suppose. Good earnings for U.S. corporations, and as you mentioned, Trump's tax plan, which will reduce corporate taxes to 15%. And of course, Wall Street loves that.
And to finish it off up north, the venture back-to-back weeks off significantly.
Yep, another ho-hum week for the venture. Juniors down on very low volumes once again. Part of what happened in the junior markets this week, and it really happened with the next tier above the Toronto Venture Exchange, but the GDXJ, the Junior Gold Miners Index, rebalanced, did its yearly rebalancing, attracted a lot of down volume, and that transferred over to the junior stock market.
Okay, Mickey. As always, appreciate the insight, and we'll look forward to catching up to you next Friday.
All right. Thanks a lot, Rob. Look forward to it.